Today we need crayons or markers, scissors, glue, and your pages 9 and 10 from your March OT packet. We're going to start it this week. So it's the butterfly and then the page after, which was shapes. The first thing we're going to do is choose a color for our butterfly. I'm going to try to do a nice spring color, and we're going to mix it up today. So instead of coloring the shapes, we're actually going to color the wing portion, not the shapes. So I'm going to trace the border. I'm going to color inside. Do your best not to color the shapes. So I'm actually going to trace the outside of the shapes and try not to go inside. Using broken crayons will help to facilitate the mature grasp pattern that we want to see with our thumb, pointer, and middle fingers on our writing utensils. So I do recommend breaking your crayons. All right, and see if you can try to hold your hand in one position and your fingers are doing the bending. This is a really good finger workout. I know it looks simple, but trying to keep your wrists down and moving your fingers is a really good exercise. Okay, now I've colored this side. I'm going to go on the other side. Today we're working on some visual perceptual skills for symmetry, and we're actually going to reflect onto the other side of the butterfly. So we can imagine this would be the same shape but turned differently on the other side. One other thing, because this is a large space, if you want to break it up into 3 sections and really practice using your fingers to do the moving of your coloring utensil. When it's large, we tend to drag our whole hands, and we don't want to do that. That's using our gross motor, and we want to use our fine motor muscles. So for this one, I'm going to do side to side. And your kids are probably actually going to get really tired from doing the coloring. So towards the end, you will see more movement, and that's normal. Okay, and this one I'm going to do up and down. All right, after this, I'm going to look at the shapes over here. So I have a triangle, a diamond, and another triangle. I'm going to try to locate those here. So I see this one. I'm going to outline the ones that I know I'll be cutting. So I have a diamond, and then I need 2 triangles. Then I'm going to use my scissors. When we're cutting, we want to use our thumb in the top, 2 fingers in the bottom. Scissors go on our writing hands, and our non-dominant hand is going to do the turning of the page. So that we just have to focus on opening and closing. Non-dominant hand turns the paper. I'll put that to the side. Stop and turn. Stop and turn. One more. Okay. So the tricky part about this one is we're not going to put them the same like this. We're going to actually have to reflect them. So the diamond is the same. It's a congruent shape. So we're just going to put that one. It goes in the middle. Then for this guy, we want it to look like it's reflected on the other side. So instead of being right side up, I actually have to turn this over. And then the top one, it looks like this one also has to be turned over. We want to make sure it's about even. And then we're going to glue those down. This one I'm looking to see where it fits, and it looks like it goes right inside that top wing. Put some glue here. Our point is going to touch the body. There it is. So we've made a symmetrical butterfly. If you want to add some color to these, you're welcome to do that. So it's a really nice butterfly.